Up 3 flights of stairs and a bedroom's a mess of vision boards, vintage cards, and on the floor a dress. Here's Madame Lash. She's total trash. Aw man, you don't even gotta ask, just text an ETA away your ad. Here's Madame Lash. Oh yeah, as one might suspect, there's some trickery to it all, with how the marionettes they sprawl while all the puppeteers revolve. And from this web of red string, Lacus pulls from her bobbins what creatures might drink from the springs of her fingers. I cocked in Nash, baby, I'm gonna bring back the lash. Aw man, you know what some might say is brutal, others would say is long overdue, so here's Madame Lash. Cassandra smiled with a fire as the light struck the cheekbone of some skull and burned incense in its eyes. And to be cursed is just the consequence of skin in their hide. I'm wearing it with too much style, babe, fucking right. The incantations I compose are transposed for each host. There's no magic to it, it's just show, no one really gets that close. Here's Madame Lash. She gave us all a good thrash. You know she means it when you see her eyes flash. Babe, is that where we're at? And as she observed each door, man, she fought all 4 lions and wondered if any were tame. And Helene, as one stream, shook the fur of the rain, painted claws paradox, unthought all shame. Here's Madame Lash. She wears moon's eyes masks. Collaged hair and plumes bloom from her cask. Here's Madame Lash.